This video illustrates the components of a Mala outlet standard thermostat and demonstrates how it works in an engine's cooling system. Mala original thermostats utilize a wax element where special wax, compounded to melt at a specified temperature, is contained in a brass cylinder. A piston and a small rod on the piston complete the assembly. Expanding melted wax moves the piston, which opens the valve. The spring closes it as the wax cools down. The entire valve unit is inserted into a housing to form a complete thermostat assembly that includes a chamber where cold and warm coolant are mixed properly. Here you can see that when the engine is first started, the coolant is cold. The wax is solid and the thermostat valve is completely closed. All coolant is routed back into the engine. As the coolant begins to heat up, seen here by the change in color, the thermostat partially opens. And allows some coolant to flow into the radiator. And some to bypass the radiator and flow back to the engine. When the engine gets hotter and more cooling is needed, the bypass valve closes 100%. And all of the flow goes through the radiator. Based on the air temperature, engine load, and operating conditions, the thermostat typically fluctuates in some position between fully closed and fully opened to maintain the desired engine operating temperature. Mala is a large supplier of OE thermostats to both car and truck manufacturers. You can count on Mala original replacement thermostats to be of the same quality and design as the OE part.